Are you ready to dive into the world of Pixelverse? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to connect your OKX wallet to the Pixelverse dashboard. Let's get started. Step 1. Register on the Pixelverse dashboard. First things first, if you have not already, you will need to register on the Pixelverse dashboard. This is crucial for participating in the upcoming Pixelverse drop. Head over to the dashboard link provided in the description below. Enter your email and complete the registration process. Step 2. Login. Once registered, log into your Pixelverse account. You will find a wallet icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it to initiate the connection process. Step 3. Connect your OKX wallet. Now select OKX from the list of wallets available. If you don't have an OKX wallet yet, you will be redirected to create one. Make sure your wallet is set up on the Ethereum networks, as that's where Pixelverse operates. Step 4. Approve and backup. After selecting OKX, approve the connection and backup your wallet information. You should see a confirmation that your wallet is successfully connected. Step 5. Troubleshooting. If you encounter issues during the connection, don't worry. The Pixelverse team is actively working on improving the site for a smoother experience. Just be patient as they aim to resolve these issues before their launch date. Bonus tips. Complete any task available on your dashboard to earn extra points. Refer friends to maximize your points before the launch. In conclusion, connecting your OKX wallet to the Pixelverse dashboard is an essential step for participating in this exciting new venture. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tech tutorials. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. I'll be sure to respond as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching.